get used to the temperature.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm going to let that one slide. Okay. Well, you know what? It's getting to be time to go back to get cleaned up for dinner.
No.
No.
Can't be.
Oh. Did you say hi?
Yeah. I didn't say it, I did this.
Oh, okay, okay. You want to be on the GoPro underwater?
Yeah, come on.
How about you, Nanny?
Our plan is working.
Her plan is working. Close your eyes.
Let's go.
Alright, oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. What are you, a camera ham? Hey! Alright.
Stepping in sand.
One more time. Okay, send those pictures to me.
Maybe we could do this again